Dear friends, today let us discuss about 25 stocks including Adani Ports, Reliance, HDFC Bank, etc. Those have announced split or dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. JBM Auto Limited. Current market price is rupees 1780 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 2nd May 2024 to declare dividend and to announce audited financial results. Motilal Oswal Financial Services Limited. Current market price is rupees 2597. Company announced a meeting on 2nd May 2024. Purpose of the meeting is Q4 and dividend. Berger Paint. Current market price is rupees 503. Company announced a meeting on 15th May 2024 to declare dividend and to announce audited financial results. Adani Ports and Economic Zone. This company also announced a meeting on 2nd May 2024 to declare dividend and to announce Q4. Newgen Software Technologies. Current market price is rupees 805. Company announced a board meeting on 30th April 2024 to declare dividend and to announce audited financial results. Rallis India Limited. Current market price is rupees 270 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is not at all finalized. PVV Infra or Tirthankar Infra. Current market price is rupees 41. Company announced a board meeting on 29th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is bonus and stock split. Reliance Industries Limited. Current market price is rupees 2901. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10 per each share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is not at all finalized. Epigran Limited. Current price is rupees 1309. This company also announced a dividend of rupees 5 per each share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is not at all finalized. High Energy Batteries. Current market price is rupees 906. Company announced a board meeting on 4th May 2024 to declare dividend and to announce audited financial results. CEAT Limited. Current market price is rupees 2523. Company announced a board meeting on 2nd May 2024 to declare dividend and to announce Q4. RBL Bank. Current market price is rupees 265 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 27th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is dividend and Q4. HDFC Bank. Current price is rupees 1509. This company announced a dividend of rupees 19.5 per each share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is 10th May 2024. To get the dividend of HDFC Bank, you have to purchase the shares of HDFC Bank before 10th May 2024. Nidhi Granites Limited. Share is trading around rupees 267. Company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Nidhi Granites, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So you will have 200 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is 2nd May 2024. To get the benefit of stock bonus of Nidhi Granites, you have to purchase the shares of Nidhi Granites before 2nd May 2024. Sanofi India Limited. Share is trading around rupees 8,274 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 117 per share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is 3rd May 2024. Bhagirath Chemicals. Current price is 1927. Bhagirath Chemicals announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 10 shares of Bhagirath Chemicals, your 10 shares convert to 100 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is 2nd May 2024. Titan Intech Limited. Current market price is rupees 93 per share. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 3:5. That means if you have 5 shares of Titan Intech, you will get 3 shares as bonus. So you will have 8 shares. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is not at all finalized. HDFC AMC. Current price is rupees 3,717 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 70 per each share. Ex-dividend date and record date is not at all finalized. CRISIL Limited. Current market price is rupees 4,472 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is 3rd May 2024. Bajaj Auto Limited. Current market price is rupees 8,974. Bajaj Auto announced a dividend of rupees 70 with ex-dividend date 14th June and record date 14th June. To get the dividend of Bajaj Auto, you have to purchase the shares of Bajaj Auto before 14th June 2024. FIIs bought 9,62,291 shares and Ashish Kacholia bought 25,000 shares of this multi-bagger forging stock. Company likely to announce stellar annual results. The name of the company is Balu Forge Industries. Current market price is rupees 287. Canara Bank. Share is trading around rupees 618. 115 years old bank is announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 10 shares of Canara Bank, your 10 shares convert to 50 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is 15th May 2024. To get the benefit of stock split, you have to purchase the shares of Canara Bank before 15th May 2024. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Current market price is rupees 1,608. Company announced a board meeting on 4th May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing audited financial results. New Time Infrastructure Limited. Current market price is rupees 53 per share. This company also announced a stock bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 1 share of New Time Infrastructure, you will get 2 more shares as bonus. So you will have 3 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Cummins India Limited. Current market price is rupees 3,240 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 29th May 2024 to declare dividend and to announce audited financial results. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.